Guess
So
what?
run in the rain.
And then
No, we're not running in the rain.
Yeah, we are.
there's a turkey. Come here. Come here. See that under the tree? There's two.
There was even two.
And then let's go run in the rain.
Yeah, there's two.
Come on, you guys.
You go first.
No, Taylor.
Uncle Steve.
This video is going to be called Lola. And I'm going to be running in the rain.
Okay, get up here, guys. Go down.
Lola, you can go run. I'm awesome. Here, I'll go to better view. Let me get a better view.
Oh my God, this won't stay raining right here.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. So my name is Lola Margarita Gonzalez.
My name is.
And I'm the star of this show.
My name is. I'm Anthony James Gonzalez.
And look up Awesome Girl 2.0, because that's my screen name.
Look at no. Destiny, I know how to get your own YouTube channel.